I mean, I'm ready.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Open it up.
Hey, this is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art, and if this is your first time on my channel, hey, look, like, comment, but definitely subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Today is the first installment of something that I want to call Who's Got Next, and the concept of Who's Got Next, because of the overwhelming response of my last video. Hey, everybody has been DMing me, been messaging me, and been asking me, can you do a custom shoot for me? I can. And guess what? I will. A oldie but a goodie. Air Force One. Let's go.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Open it up.
Hold up.
Pretty cool, man. Got some drip on.
Hold up.
Real?
Hey, what you think about that, bro?
Nah, these nice. These too nice.
You didn't expect that, huh?
Nah,
Bro, we're not playing no games, man.
Hey, if you like this video, I urge you to like, comment, but definitely subscribe to the channel. If you want to know some of the equipment that I work on, I'm going to leave some links down below if you guys wanted to purchase it. Hey, listen, I would like to get to 100 this week. I would like to change the channel name to Roy Elliott Art and Customs, not the youtube.abc.123. I would like to change the name of the channel, and I need 28 more. Please help your boy out. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.